Hi, my name's Peter. I'm going to give you my pitch for the app I would like to build, which is called Cheapo. So, take you into it. So, what exactly is Cheapo? Cheapo is an app that allows users to search for coupons and cheaper prices for products they wish to purchase. So, for example, think about buying a new TV, and you're searching at Best Buy. You're looking for a 50-inch TV, some LG, Sony TV, and you see a price tag on it. And instead of looking, searching through the web on Google to go through Target, Amazon, and other retailers for cheaper prices, how about just paste the link in the product with the price and then have the app look for cheaper alternatives for you. So why use Cheapo? So the pandemic has caused many families financial hardship. People are always searching for deals on products. Money doesn't grow on trees, so spend it wisely. And Cheapo will be there to help you solve those problems in regards to saving money on purchasing goods. So how will it work? So within the Cheapo web app, the user can do the following two things. The user can apply a product of interest into the search engine, and this engine will generate a set of results from you, ranking it from one through five, for example, and the higher rank will have the cheaper price for the product you're looking for. If that's not exactly what you're looking for, maybe you want to find a coupon. So you could also search for coupons on a specific product that you're looking for. So like I said with the TV example, maybe I want to find I want to buy from Best Buy, but I want to see if there's a coupon that I could apply for it. And then the search engine would go and search for coupons for you out through the web. So some of the features that I would be looking to develop for Cheapo would be checking for lower prices on products, check for coupons on products, create a profile on Cheapo. So the users should be able to also save coupons and links for future reference. You could also share with other users on things you have found. So like a little community, some forums, maybe something like Reddit. And then also register for notifications for products that you're interested in. So maybe someone on a forum might post something similar to what you're looking for, and the app would notify you possibly through email, like, hey, this is something you were interested in looking for earlier. Maybe you might want to look at this. So that's basically it. That's the end of the presentation. What I was possibly looking for in developing this app was possibly making a web app with JavaScript or Python. Specifically, why those two languages is because they do have good web scraping libraries, and which would make it easier for looking through the web and try to generate results. There might be other libraries or languages that also support the same idea, but yeah, as far as right now, that's what I was looking for.